ano ko, sa new vlog ko. Ako pala si, ay nalog-log, ay nalog-log. Ay maroon ka to. Sige ako daw, wait ko nakapasok ako. Bilis mo. Ito nga po pala ang troll bottom tower. Ay, nalaglag ako. Ayun ako. So ako palagi pumunta para madami dito. Tatawa. Hala. She will be 100 minutes. So this is my new vlog to get like on because my first thing to vlogging to new cemetery schooling. Oh no, what is that? Mamagay ko. Ay. Okay. I am in the Philippines and can I go Australia? Maybe in the 100 weeks to say up. And our final is you need to be on. You cannot see the secret or your like that go to the here because it's going to do a face reveal. Face reveal? Really? No, I don't want to. I'm desire to get in here because I like to play this game. She may be hunting here. And then, oh my gosh, this is so very hard to do it. That's one gonna be. I want to get a luck adlet. I don't have a robot. Okay. Did I work harder to? I will work to be have anything to get it about. And I want to be 100 like 100 subscribers like that or 100 maybe skeletons 100 subscribers. I want to get up 100 subscribers because if I do have anything, I have a 30 subscribers, so it maybe look like a let's troll him. Let's troll him guys to be. If you want to add me a Roblox, my name is CUF Manicu, Ma'am 1346. But again, I will try it.
Lucky!
So, okay.
Lucky!
Let's see. Ano ba yun, Tay? Palagyan ko na ano.
Isa.
Wow. Well,
Ulit ka naman.
Ha?
Ay, 100,000. Huwag mo na hawakan yan. Pero hindi ko wala po ta. Nabagat ka? Di ba hindi ko naman? Kapag ginawa ka Sim! Kapag ginawa ka gusto na ba? Alaway, kita.
Okay.
Ako mo naman. Ang damat ni Kino. Yan o. Tingin. Vlogger pala tong
Sorry, I got to balarim jacket kala. Oh, yes. Yay. Guys, don't troll. Or I will... Hey, that's so hard. So, I gotta play. I don't want to be... Nope. I cannot die anything of this. Oh no. I gonna get face reveal again. Okay, but I don't want to face reveal. Goodbye. It's a prank that, guys. It's like that a prank. It's not a prank. Okay. It's a prank. Okay.
Sobrang hawak. Din talaga yan. Bantayin mo yan.